Morning and welcome. So this morning, just going on a small ride. We've got new tech today. So I'm talking to you from the new GoPro 12, and I've got a new mic today, and also another little surprise. I've got the new Hover Air X1, I think it's called, which is a drone. So I'll be using that as well this morning. We're just going on a small ride, I think of about 30-ish miles. That'll probably be 40. Yeah, so really looking forward to it. The weather's really nice this morning. We've had some pretty horrible storms in the UK recently, so this is the first time we've been able to get out. We're going to get wet, I think, because the roads are still pretty wet and flooded in places. So, but I'll see you outside.
I'm out of Shaftesbury then, and we're on our way to Gillingham now. So this morning, it's more of a test of technology than anything. I've got my DJI mic that I've got here, the new GoPro 12 on here, on a magnetic clasp, and I'm looking at you from my GoPro. So I've got that attached to the handlebars on an extension. Yeah, it's all good. And I've also got a little drone in my pocket. So the amount of tech we can carry now, in such a short space in such a small space, is amazing. So it's a gorgeous day this morning as well. So I'll see you in a minute. I don't know what they're doing here. Are they extending the bus lane or something? Maybe. Putting a right-hand turn in or something. See what the audio is like now. Hopefully really good. The wind is pretty strong, and we are 26 miles an hour currently. So yeah, it'd be nice to get good audio in these sort of conditions really. Got the dead cat on the top of the microphone. But hoping for good results. I've got both cameras on as well, so I've got the Hero 12 Black. That was nice. Got the Hero 12 Black on my chest, so that's closest. Then I've also got the Hero 11 Mini on the handlebars. That's on an extended bar as well, so that's furthest away from me. And then I've got the DJI mic working independently on my left. Right now, 27 miles an hour now. 29 and a half. 30.1.
main reason for me getting all this tech at the same time is I'm off to Spain again in a couple of weeks time, so I'm trying to get everything ready so I can give you some really good videos and really good footage when we go over to Spain. I can tell you I'm actually going over with a friend over to Barcelona in 2 weeks time, and we are testing mountain bikes, so if you're interested in that, then please do follow the channel and look out for those videos. They'll be coming out in a couple of weeks. I've also got an awful lot going on next year as well, so all of this stuff I'm just trying to get everything ready and get the quality of these videos as good as I can get it before things get busy next year. And as usual, if you'd enjoyed watching this video today, please like and subscribe, and check out our other videos and our website, and we'll see you in Barcelona probably in a couple of weeks time. I might do a video in between, and there's also going to be other videos related to the Hover X1 and the GoPro 12 and the DJI mic, so look out for all of those as well, and I'll see you next time.